4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now grouping plus is equal to minus 1. I brought this side. Take 4 common plus y square plus 2y is equal to minus 1. So in the bracket 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 square is equal to minus 1. Open here, x minus 2 whole square minus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Open the bracket, 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus y plus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So 4 into x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 plus 4 plus 1. How much we get? 4. Now we divide. 4 into x minus 2 whole square. So here x minus 1 whole square. This is x minus 1 whole square, sorry. Here x square minus 2x. So x minus 1 whole square plus 1 into y plus 1 whole square by 4. Here also 4 is equal to 1. So what is that we get? X minus 1 whole square by 1, y plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. So here a square is 1, b square is 4. Now what do we got? A square is equal to 1, b square is equal to 4. So what is the a value? 1. What is the b value? 2. So a is less than b. Okay, now a is less than b. Every time we have seen a is greater than b, now here a is less than b. So here, now compare with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So already we got a value. What is h value? 1. What is the k value? Minus 1. What is the center? H comma k, 1 comma minus 1. And first you have to find e value. Now look at here, b square minus a square by b square. What is the formula? Every time we are taking a square minus b square, here b square minus a square by b square. So b square is what, sir? 4 minus 1 by 4, which is root 3 by 2. Right? Now we got e value. Now I am writing the formulas. Center is h comma k already over. Next 4c, h comma b plus k, h comma minus b plus k. Okay, h comma b plus k and h comma minus b plus k. So h value is what, sir? 1. B value how much, sir? 2. 2 into root 3 by 2 means root 3 plus k value is how much, sir? Minus 1. Here 1 comma minus root 3 minus 1. Next, there 4c is over. Next, eccentricity is over. Next, directrix. Y plus or minus b by e is equal to k. Y plus or minus b by e is equal to k. So y plus or minus b value. What is the b value? 2 by root 3 by 2. K value is what, sir? Minus 1. So y plus or minus 4 by root 3 is equal to minus 1. Right? Now next, length of large rectum 2a square by b. What is length of large rectum? 2a square by b. So 2 into, what is a square value? 1. And what is the b value? 2. So what is the value we get? 1. Okay. Whatever values you are getting, you substitute, sir. Next, major is 2b. 2b means what, sir? 4. Minor 2a, which is nothing but 2. Right? So here what is important here? A is less than b. A is less than b. This is very, very important, sir. Okay. Please note down this. 3x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Again grouping plus is equal to 5. So 3 common plus is equal to 5. Now 3 into plus 1 square minus 1 square plus y square minus 2y plus 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 5. So this becomes x minus 1 whole square minus 1, y minus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 5. 3 into x minus 1 whole square minus 3, y minus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 5, plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1, which is 9. So by 9 plus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. Same procedure, sir. So this becomes what? X minus 1 whole square by 3 plus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 3, b square is 9, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 3. So obviously a is less than b. Again we got a is less than b. Compare with x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Again, what is the h value? 1. H value is 1, k value is 1. First we have to find E formula. B square minus a square by b square. B square means what, sir? 9 minus 3 by 9. That is root 6 by 3. What is the value? Root 6 by 3. Now, first we have to find center. Is h comma k. 1 comma 1. What is the 4c? H comma be plus k. be plus k. H comma be plus k. H comma minus be plus k. So what is the h value? 1. What is the b value? 3. And e value root 6 by 3. So this becomes root 6 plus k value 1. Here 1 comma minus root 6 plus 1. Right? Next, directrix. Y plus or minus b by e is equal to k. What is directrix? Y plus or minus b by e is equal to k. So y plus or minus b value 3 by root 6 by 3 is equal to 1. 9 by root 6 is equal to 1. Right? Next, the length of Drass rectum. 2a square by b. What is length of Drass rectum? 2a square by b. 2 into a square is what, sir? 3 by b value 3. So 2. Right? Next, measure. Measure is 2b is equal to 6. Minor 2a is equal to 2 root 3. So what is here? We have seen 5 problems, sir. One is 3 problems are with a is greater than b, 2 problems with a is less than b. These models are very, very important because your portion has been reduced, so these type of models can be expected for final examination. Please note down. Clearly note down. Right. Now we have seen how to convert into standard forms, means ellipse we have seen. Now we will see equation of tangent and normal. Equation of tangent and normal. Okay, what is the equation of tangent? S1 is equal to 0. What is the formula? Xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. And equation of normal is a square x. What is the equation of tangent? x(x1) by a square plus y(y1) by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Equation of normal is a square x by x1 minus b square y1 y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, at p x1 y1. Now equation of tangent normal at p theta. Here what is the theta points are what, sir? A cos theta comma b sin theta. Means instead of x1 y1 we have to write a cos theta plus b sin theta. The formulas are this: x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0, and tangent, this is tangent normal equation, ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. Right? So this is a tangent equation, this is a normal equation at theta. And last one, equation of tangent, only we talk about tangent here in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. What is the last formula? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square, root of mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Right. This is the formula. So here equation of the tangent at the point, equation of tangent at the, this is what we say parametric formula. Parametric. And here equation of tangent in the slope form. These three forms we should know. Okay, let us solve some problems. Equation of the tangent. Find equation of the tangent and normal for 8x square plus y square. Sorry. For ellipse x square plus 8y square is equal to 33 at minus 1 comma 2. Right? The solution. Equation of tangent is x(x1) by a square plus y(y1) by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. First I am writing tangent. Okay, now what is the ellipse given? So divide. Is equal to 1. Therefore plus is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 33. B square is 33 by 8. So we got a square value, b square value. Now point is what, sir? Minus 1 comma 2. Therefore tangent, I am putting here x into minus 1 by a square is what, sir? 33 plus y into y1 is 2 by 33 by 8 minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 is equal to 0. 0. LCM. Right? Next, normal. Ax by x1 is equal to a square minus b square. Formulas are very, very important. A square x. A square is what, sir? 33 by x by a square. X1 is what, sir? Minus 1. A square is what, sir? Here. And this is b square. A square is 33, x by minus 1. B square is what, sir? 33 8 by y by y1. Y1 is 2 is equal to a square minus b square. 33 minus 33 by 8. Now I cancel everywhere 33, sir. What I mean by this? What I have done? 33 cancel, 33 cancel, 33 cancel, 33 cancel. That's why x by minus 1, y by 16, 1 minus 1 by 8. Okay, simply you can take this. So my LCM is minus x minus y by 16 is equal to 8 is LCM, 8 minus 1. Cross multiply with 8, 8x minus 8y by 16 is equal to 7. Or LCM is 16 minus 16x minus y is equal to 7 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Cross multiply is equal to 14. Again I am explaining. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 minus is equal to a square. A square means 33x by minus 1. B square means 3 by 8 y by 2. Everywhere I am cancelling 33, sir. Cancel 33. So here 33, here 33, here 33. Everything will get cancelled. Means without 33 you are right. X by minus 1, y by 8 into 2 is 16. Here 1, here 1 by 8. So minus 6 minus y by 16. LCM is 8, 8 minus 1 come. LCM is 16. So minus 16x minus y is equal to 7 by 8. 8 will go 2 times, cross multiply. So rearrange this sum. 6x, 16x plus y plus 14 is equal to 0. Is the normal. Okay, what is the normal equation? 16x plus y plus 14 is equal to 0. Now observe here. Here x minus 16y plus 33. Here 6. They are perpendicular. That's why x1 y coefficients are getting interchanged. 16 is coming to x coefficient is coming to y, and minus is becoming plus. That is one important observation. Please note down this. Find the equation of tangent and normal for ellipse. 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 11. At the point whose ordinate is 1. Okay. Ordinate means y value. Y value is how much he has given? 1. So put in 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 11. 2x square plus 3 into 1 square is 1. So is equal to 11. 2x square is equal to 8. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. So we got x is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. So there will be 2 points. What is x value? 2 comma 1, and q point is minus 2 comma 1. Okay. So first I will write tangent equation. xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are not converted. Given 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 11. 2x square by 11 is equal to 1. So this becomes x square by 11 by 2 plus y square by 11 by 3 is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 11 by 2. B square is 11 by 3. Put here. What is the p point? I will consider p point 2 comma 1 by a square means what, sir? 11 by 2. Y into 1 by b square is 11 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x by 11 plus 3y by 11 minus 1 is equal to 0. LCM is 11. 4x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Right? Next. Normal equation. A square x by x1 minus b square y1 by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. So a square is what, sir? We got a square. I am putting here box. So this becomes 11 by 2 x by x1 is what, sir? What is x1 value? 2 comma 1. So 2 minus b square means what, sir? 11 by 3 by y1 is 1 is equal to a square means what, sir? 11 by 2 minus 11 by 3. Cancel 11 table is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 11 will get cancelled everywhere, sir. X by 4, 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, 3. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So LCM is what, sir? 12. 3x minus 4y. Here LCM is 6. 3 minus 2. 3x minus 4y by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3x minus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Here, observe again. X and y coefficient are getting interchanged. 3 is coming to x, x is coming to y, and plus is become minus, and constant you know very well. You have to put the point. Now this is what I have done. Now you have to find at q. What are the q points are? Minus 2 comma 1. Means again x1 y1 is replaced by minus 2 comma 1. Same procedure. Okay. It will be given for 4 marks, sir. Okay. Please note down.